Catfish is a very unique breed of fish that is often daunting to both beginners and seasoned anglers for their nocturnal behavior and physical characteristics. We'll show you techniques that will make them less intimidating and fun to catch. In today's video, I'll be tackling two common points that often trip up both new and experienced fishermen: handling catfish and using slip bobbers effectively to catch them. Let's dive right in. Viewers, on this channel I'll take out all the frustrating aspects of fishing by introducing only what's practical, because fishing should be fun and rewarding. If you're interested on fishing methods that are simple but effective, subscribe now. Catfish are amazing creatures, but if you don't know how to handle them properly, it can be a bit daunting. Catfish have sharp spines on their pectoral and dorsal fins that can give you quite a poke if you're not careful. Many of us have had the unfortunate experience of being injured because we didn't handle them right. I'll be demonstrating the safest way to handle a catfish. An important point to be aware of is that they have 3 spikes, one on each pectoral fin, sides, and on the dorsal fin. It is best to make the approach from the belly side to eliminate the dorsal fin. Firmly grab the catfish by its skull just behind each pectoral fins. Some baits that is often used by anglers are things like chicken liver or night crawlers. But it's essential to know your local waters to choose the best option. Experiment a bit until you find what consistently works in your area. For the purpose of this video, I will be using the slip bobber method, using bluegill as live bait.
Another catfish.
I want to say catfish.
Yep, it's a catfish.
Wow.
A big one. I'll tire him out so he doesn't break my shit. He's pretty tired. I think he's tired right now. He just engulfed my bluegill. It's a big boy.
To set up your slip bobber, start off by putting your line through one of the loops on the appropriate sized rubber bobber stop. Hold the tag end while you slide that same bobber stop onto your line. Keep in mind that there should be some resistance moving the bobber stop up and down the line to indicate appropriate size. Trim off the tag end that is curly. Insert the proper size bead. Ensuring it won't slide past your bobber stop. Now slide the selected size bobber with your color of choice Keep in mind the brighter the color, the easier to see. And the selection of sizes will determine what kind of bait you're attaching to it. At the business end, you can attach your favorite finesse fishing soft plastics. But for the purpose of this video, we will be attaching a 2/0 size circle hook for live bait. You can utilize your favorite knot. My personal favorite is the uni knot or polymer knot, mentioned in the description below if you have a favorite. Be interesting to know firsthand what's popular. Viewers, I will provide the links to all the products I mentioned in the description below. And as a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored or affiliated with the company of these products. Back to your video. When using live bait such as bluegills, avoid casting too far. Your bait slamming into the water will become stunned and decrease its effectiveness tremendously. It's more appealing to your targeted species if it's alive and active. Cast close and let it swim away naturally. Or utilize a radio-controlled bait boat if available. Fish? I think so. It's diving. Bass will try to jump on that. Yep, it's a caddy. Tire him out. Stringing a catfish can be daunting. Here are my tips to avoid injury to the catfish and yourself. Grab the catfish by its mouth. Ensure you approach it by its belly side to avoid the spike on the dorsal fin. Step on its tail so it doesn't wiggle away from you while you route your stringer through its gills. An important thing to note is that catfish has a strong bite that can pinch, so gloves can often help but not absolutely necessary. Apply constant pressure to the jaw with a slight upward hold by using its own weight. Maintaining this pressure will determine if the catfish will want to fight or not.